Hi friends, welcome back to the SK solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and support me to do the more videos. Select new, metric, standard create. Select plane, center rectangle, give the dimension 125 by 200. 125, this is 200. Finish sketch, extrude up to 50 mm. Okay, now we can see top side one flange is there. For that, select this surface, sketch, the dimensions is R35 mm and also bottom to center 35 mm. R35 means it is 70 mm, diameter is 70 mm. Give the dimension 70. Here to here 35 mm. Same this surface to this surface 35 mm. Take the line, this side also same. Trim unwanted lines. So sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. Reverse the direction. You can see thickness is 50 mm. Okay. Select same surface, sketch. One hole is there, that is diameter 45 mm. Finish sketch. Okay, hole is created. Now you can see one rib is there, that is 30 mm. For that, select this surface, sketch, select line, give the dimension 75. Confirm the dimension 70. Double click and change it to 70. And here select tangent, select this surface and this surface. Select project geometry, select this also. Finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction up to 30 mm. Now you can see bottom there is a one cutout, that is 75 mm width and 25 mm depth. For that, select this surface, sketch, select 2-point rectangle, give the dimension here to here 75, and this is also 75, sorry 25. For both side dimensions are 25 mm. Finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction through all. Okay. Now you can see center of this one cutout is there, that is 40 mm and 20 mm depth. For that, select the center plane, sketch, select line, give the dimension, I think line is, select this point 20 mm. So sketch is fully constrained. Finish, select extrude, remove material, select both side here, symmetry 40 mm. So that's it friends. If anything missing, let me know in the comments. So this is the basic 3D model. Now I will assign the material. So which material you want, you can select here. So I will go with aluminum 6061. This is the standard material to use machine the aluminum blocks. Finishing, so this is for coloring only, but finishing and all it will come by default like clear anodizing, black anodizing, like that. So that's it friend, today's session. Thank you for watching this video. Once again, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.